Atom rehabilitation, advanced dynamics for adaptive movements, built for professionals with patients in mind. The cat-cow is an excellent maneuver in order to increase and begin loading the shoulder, but also improving thoracic spinal extension and flexion. So this, at the top part of the motion, we are going to be breathing out and we will be breathing in as we descend. Now notice my lower back function and my hips tucking away from the body and then towards the rib cage here. We really want to flex and bring those hips up underneath you towards the rib cage as much as you possibly can in order to maximize the effectiveness of this movement. Do these for about 3 sets, about 10 repetitions. You'll feel great.